So I recognize the importance of cybersecurity, and I wanted to uplift my skills in that area because I analyzed the current threats, and I thought that will be an important skill going in the future. I really like that we had a collaborative environment when we could ask questions to our experts and just learn all together. So I really liked it. So I really like that we could test our theoretical knowledge and apply it during the hands-on labs, where we could practice our skills in the environment that supports it. So the course helped me to do another step in the security direction in my software engineering career. So basically applying that to product vision, seeing the security measures that we need to take to make our customers safe. So I would recommend future students to just practice as much as possible during the course, also ask a lot of questions and just listen to the experts that teach them.